Hello, I'm Sakshi Lokhande from Sanchay CRM, and in this video, I'll walk you through the web UI of Sanchay CRM, the layout, key tools, and how to navigate efficiently. Let's begin. So, every time you log in to the Sanchay CRM, you'll land on the OPR dashboard, short for Open, Periodic, and Result, the three core tabs that give you a snapshot of where your business stands. Open tells you what's active right now. Periodic gives you an option to track your performance over a week, a month, or a quarter. Result tracks business outcomes like conversions, closures, and performance data. Now, just below your name, you'll find two buttons. Dashboard settings, from where you can choose which fields appear on your dashboard, and dashboard selection, which lets you switch between different dashboard types. On the top right corner of the dashboard, you'll see some important quick access icons. Cake icon. Here you can view your clients' birthdays, anniversaries, for yesterday, today, and tomorrow. You can send greetings manually or automate them from the backend. Then, notifications bell. Under the notifications tab, you'll get notified for record assignments, comments, and follow up reminders. The mass actions tab will notify you of mass actions such as mass updates, mass deletion, and import. Then, WhatsApp icon displays message activity if your CRM is integrated with WhatsApp. User menu. Click your name drop-down to access profile where you can update your details like name, email, mobile number, etc. or log out to safely exit the CRM. Now let's talk about navigation essentials. Found on the top left, the global search bar helps you find any lead or client by their name, phone number or email, no matter where you are in the CRM. On the left, you'll see a sidebar menu. This is where all your CRM modules are listed like leads, families, clients, tasks, reports, and more. You can either scroll or search the module you need. At the bottom of this menu, you'll find Home, which you can click to return to your dashboard from anywhere in the CRM. Then Notices, this is for internal use, that is for internal notices and announcement. Now there are three main ways to interact with your records in Sanchay CRM. List view, detail view, and edit view. Let's discuss them in detail. Click on any module, for example leads, and you'll enter the list view, which shows you a table of all records under that module. At the top of the list view, you'll see the scorecard, a quick snapshot of leads grouped by status like new, in progress, converted, etc. Clicking on any status here will instantly filter the list to show you only those records. Now this gives you a direct at-a-glance view of how your leads are distributed. Please note here that changing scorecard settings requires admin level access. Just above the scorecard on the right hand side, there are a few important icons like plus icon to create a new lead, import icon to upload leads in bulk from Excel, the magnifying glass icon for advanced search, and this icon helps you to toggle the scorecard display as needed. Now, you can tailor the list view to your liking. Use the field selection option to decide what columns appear and in what order. For instance, if you want to see the lead type column right after the name column, just drag, drop and save. And you will see the list column rearranged. Further, let's talk about mass actions in list view. Sanchay CRM lets you take bulk actions on multiple records directly from the list view. For this, use the checkbox on the top left to select all visible records or pick individual ones as needed. Once selected, the mass action icons appear above the list. Now to mass update, click the pencil icon to update one or multiple fields across all selected records like follow update, lead status, or assign team member like this. Just click on update and you're done. Then use these mass email and mass message icons to send bulk emails or text using saved templates or custom messages. Then click on the mass tag icon to apply one or more tags to all selected records. Now this is useful for categorizing leads by interest, region or priority. Use this export icon to download selected records in Excel or CSV format. Use the bin icon to mass delete selected or all records. Filters in list view. There are two types of filters, basic filter and advanced search. To basic filter data, use the drop down or search bar at the top of each column. For example, if I select converted in lead status, I'll see all the lead records that are converted. To sort, simply click here. It will sort the data in ascending or descending order. Now for advanced search, click on the magnifying glass icon on the top right corner to open the advanced filter dialog box. Advanced search is ideal for cross-module filtering and deeper insights using multiple conditions. For example, if you want to filter leads based on AUM category, which is stored in family module, you'll need to use advanced search to apply conditions across modules. Now here, choose between my records, which are your leads and clients, or all records based on your access level. Add conditions using and or logic. For instance, if you want to filter leads where AUM potential is between 50 lakhs to 1 crore, just select those options and filter 1.1 like this. You can add multiple rules as well. Name your filter, then click save and search to reuse it anytime, or just click search if it's a one-time query. Now, where is this useful? Let's say you have 50 leads due for follow-up today and you only want to focus on the ones with highest AUM potential. So you can create a filter once and reuse it every few days without starting from scratch. Now let's talk about details view. This is my client's list view. Clicking on any record in the list view opens up its detail view. This gives you a complete profile of that lead, client or family with address information and meeting details. You'll find all key information organized in panels like personal information, investments and insurance, and history, and other subpanels like portfolio details, attachments, leads, and tasks. Here, you can even add comments. From these subpanels, you can either create new records or link existing ones, and they will automatically connect to this profile, keeping everything well organized and trackable. On the top right of the detail view, click the three-dot menu to access quick actions like duplicate to create an exact copy of the current record, change log to view the history of all updates made to this record, delete to permanently remove the record. Now let's talk about the edit view. This is my details view of a lead. Click the edit button on the top right of any detail view to open the edit view where you can update any field related to the record. Here you can change assignments, lead status, contact information, follow-up dates, etc. Everything you update here stays synced and instantly reflects in your CRM. That's it for the Sanchay CRM Web UI walkthrough. You've seen how to navigate the dashboard, work with records, use filters, and take quick actions, all designed to make your workflow smoother and smarter. If you ever need help, our support team is just a message away. Thanks for watching.